Uh, did you see that snake in the tree?
Where?
Let's go.
Where's that? Let me see.
Keep walking.
Stop it climbing me up.
I give me a pet snake out here. Daddy said I can't have a dog. He never said I couldn't have a snake.
Stephanie, Leah said you want to go home too. I'm just playing. Can we go to Strawberry?
That's where we're going now.
We're going to Strawberry?
Yeah.
Yay! Where's that? No, I got that place right there with Strawberry. I didn't see it. What?
What's wrong with you?
Oh, sorry. I want to get the if you go straight, you fall in the water.
Yeah.
Did you ever fall in the water?
Yeah, a little bit.
Ah! Oh. Let's go.
Let's go.
We're going this way?
Yeah.
This isn't the way we came.
They all lead the same way. It's a big circle.